Today, let's learn together about parallel lines. Let's learn together. Cindy draws two lines PQ and RS. She invites the STAR Maths team to measure the distance between the lines at different points. Okay, this is PQ and RS. Majid said, I measure a distance of 4 cm. And Sharif said, me too. And Jamila said, I also measure 4 cm. Okay, we can check it. This is Majid's measure is 4 cm. Sharif measure is 4 cm and Jamila's measure is 4 cm. The lines PQ and RS are always the same distance apart. They don't get closer together or further apart. We call the pair of lines PQ and RS parallel lines. Which pairs of lines are parallel? Okay, there are any lines here. The first, let's see, lines AB and CD. AB and CD are getting further apart from the left to right. Okay, let's see. This is 1 cm, and if we move the ruler, this is more than 1 cm. EF and GH remain the same distance apart, so they are parallel. IJ and KL, if we move the ruler, that is remain the same distance apart, so they are parallel. Now MNOP, they are getting closer together from left to right, so they are not parallel. EF and GH are lying down. Lines that are in this position are called horizontal lines. And IJKL are standing up. The lines that are in this position are called vertical lines. We draw little arrows and parallel lines to show they are parallel, like this. PQ, RS. When PQ and RS are parallel, we write as like this. And when PQ, RS, and TU are parallel, we can write like this. Okay? Next page. Identify parallel lines in this picture. Okay, this picture has horizontal and vertical lines. Okay? You can see the parallel lines in this page. Now, next page. Draw a pair of parallel lines using a set square and a ruler. Okay, step 1. Draw a line AB with a ruler. Okay, like this, AB. Step 2. Place one side of the set square along the line AB. Place a ruler against the other side of the set square. Okay, you can try like this. And make, okay, like this. Then slide the set square along the ruler and draw another line CD. Okay, like this. Then add arrows to your lines to show they are parallel. Okay, like this. The lines AB and CD are parallel. What is an easy way I can write this? Okay, you can write like this. Next page. Use a set square and a ruler to check if two lines are parallel. Step 1. Place a set square along one of the lines. Place the ruler against the set square, okay? Like this. And the next, slide the set square along the ruler until it meets the other line, like this. Slide. If the second line runs along the set square as the first line does, the two lines are parallel. In this case, MN is parallel to OP. Okay, now let's try it. Number 1, identify and name the pairs of parallel lines. Okay, the first we try EF and GH. Okay, like this. EF parallel lines to GH. Okay, so you can write EF parallel lines to GH. Next, B. Try A. Okay, try lines AB. Like this. Lines AB parallel lines to, okay, there is no parallel lines to AB, so we can try the next line, the other line. CD parallel to GH, okay, so we can write CD parallel to GH. Next, we try line AB. Okay, line AB parallel lines to, okay, there is no parallel line to lines AB, so try CD. There is no lines parallel to CD. Okay, so the next line, EF. EF parallel lines to, okay, let's see, EF parallel lines to GH. Okay, so we can write EF parallel to GH. Okay, next, number 3. Use a set square and a ruler to check if the lines are parallel. Take the correct answer. Okay, we can check like this. SD parallel lines to QR, so this is parallel. B, we can check QR. QR not parallel to SD, so this is not parallel. And C, okay, we try this. QR is parallel to ST, so this is parallel. Okay, next page. Perpendicular lines. Jamila draws two lines. She uses a protractor to measure the angle between them. This line form a right angle when they cross. Lines that form right angles are called perpendicular lines. The angle between the green and the yellow line is 90 degrees, or a right angle. We say the lines are perpendicular lines. Lines AB and CD meet at a right angle, 90 degrees. They are perpendicular lines. We write it as like this and say AB is perpendicular to CD or CD perpendicular to AB. Now, identify perpendicular lines in this picture. Okay, this is perpendicular. Okay, there are a lot of perpendicular in this picture. Next page. Use a set square to check if two lines are perpendicular. Step 1. Place one side of the set square along one of the lines. Okay, like this. Now, slide the set square along the line until the other side of the set square meets the other line. If the line runs along the other side of the set square, the lines are perpendicular. Okay, like this. Let's see. Like this. If slide the set square and the lines run along the other side of the set square, the lines are perpendicular. So, AB is perpendicular to CD. Okay, now use a set square to draw a pair of perpendicular lines. You can draw a straight line with a ruler like this. Then place one side of the set square along the line. Draw another line along to other side of the set square like this. Then label the perpendicular lines. Okay, next, let's try it. Identify and name the pairs of perpendicular lines. Let's see. Perpendiculars. Okay, we try GH the first. GH perpendicular to CD. We can write CD perpendicular to GH or GH perpendicular to CD. Now B. Let's try from A. Let's try from A like this. Oops, good. AB perpendicular to EF. You can write AB perpendicular to EF. C now. Okay, we try. Okay, let's see. This is like this and it's like this. We can try GH. GH perpendicular to AB or AB perpendicular to GH. Now let's try D. How about this? There are any lines here. The first we try EF. EF like this. Oops, good. EF perpendicular to IJ. So we can write EF perpendicular to IJ. Next, E. We try from, okay, the first KL. We try IJ. IJ, K, IJKL, no. GH, oops, okay. GH perpendicular to KL. You can write GH perpendicular to KL. Okay? Thank you for today. I hope you understand about this topic. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.